Let's make some French, no, what are they called? Let's make some cinnamon sugar French toast sticks this morning. I had that idea last night when I was laying in bed and it sounded really good. I'm doing like a cup of sugar, like a tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm planning to do this like whole loaf, so maybe my family will eat them all, maybe they won't, I don't know. Yes?
And you just want me to install that thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Install that thing. Set that aside. Next pie tin, I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 4 eggs, a cup of milk, some brown sugar, and some vanilla. And then we'll mix this one together and set this one aside. Now we're gonna cut our bread into sticks. And I'm gonna do them in 4. Each piece of bread into 4. And we're gonna do that to the whole loaf. All right, here's all my sticks. I like to throw them in the oven at 300 degrees for like 8 to 10 minutes, just so they kind of get a little bit toasted. All right, they're all just like a little bit toasted. All right, from here we add some butter. All right, then we just drop some French toast sticks in our solution over here. Solution, mixture. And then we just cook them in the pan. And then naturally you kind of just flip them and stuff. And as they get done, you plop them right in the cinnamon sugar mixture. And they're perfect.